So let's face it, an APY of 18% isn't that exciting compared to other projects out there. But here's the rub. This protocol has almost 20 billion in TLV, has no taxes, and is probably one of the lowest risk crypto projects out there. Plus it uses a stablecoin. In this video, we'll unpack the protocol, my plan on using it, plus we'll run through a guide on getting started with Anchor. So let's take a look. Anchor is a decentralized money market on the Terra Network. You deposit the stablecoin UST and earn around 18% APY. Your capital isn't locked in any way, so you can deposit or withdraw at any time. If you want extra peace of mind, there are options from third parties that allow you to take out insurance protecting your deposit. So how does Anchor work? Simply put, Anchor can generate this APY by lending out the money that people deposit to borrowers. If you want to borrow on the Anchor protocol, you have to put down collateral against the amount that you want to borrow, plus pay back the amount including interest. At the moment, Anchor has around $13 billion in deposits and roughly $6 billion in collateral. One thing to note, there is a poll happening to lower the APY by roughly 1%. Currently the APY is a little over 19, so after this poll is passed, you're probably looking at about an 18% APY. This decision is decided and voted on by ANC token holders. ANC is a governance token, so if you own these tokens, you own a part of the protocol and have a right to vote on changes or updates to Anchor. The reason behind this 1% drop in the APY is to create sustainability and longevity of the protocol. Although in my mind, if the APY drops to 18, 15, or even 10%, that's still incredible returns just for parking my money in Anchor. UST as a stablecoin should be hovering around the $1 mark. It is an algorithmic stablecoin, so there are no dollars backing this coin, making it fully decentralized. Its backing comes from Luna, a native token on the Terra Network. So how does UST hold its stability? Basically with a smart contract. Simply put, they're doing some fancy swapping and arbitraging to keep the price of UST at $1. If you're wanting to dive into the details and the mechanics of how this actually all works, I'll leave a link in the description. Anchor has no deposit or withdrawal fees, taxes of any kind, aside from gas fees. So let's talk about the risks. The major risk around Anchor would be if UST depegged. This can and has been affected by crypto market crashes and has happened in the past, although UST held its peg very well and stabilized very quickly. Many people suggest that UST is actually more stable than centralized traditional currencies. I've been using Anchor for about 3 months now and it's been great. I initially tested a small amount just to understand how things worked, and I tracked it for about 2 months. Recently, I've been moving profits I've made from other DeFi projects over to Anchor, and every day I can see my balance growing passively and stably. As a money market account, I'm using this protocol as a long-term strategy. I've never seen any bank giving anything close to returns like Anchor. Plus, I'm paying 0 fees, as I would do with a traditional investment company. I'm certainly not complaining, so for now, I'm storing things here long-term. Although these videos are a great starting point, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. So if you're interested in Anchor and earning yields long term, I'll show you how to get started with this simple guide. So these are the steps. Step 1, let's set up our Terra Station Wallet. Head to terra.money and we'll install the Chrome extension. I'll leave a link in the description. Once installed, click on New Wallet, enter a wallet name and secure password. The wallet name must be lowercase. Next, copy the mnemonic or seed phrase. Please keep this in a safe place and do not share this phrase with anyone. Terra Station will test your mnemonic or seed phrase. With that done, your Terra Station wallet is active. Next up is step 2. We'll buy and trade USDT, another stablecoin, for UST on an exchange. In this example, I'll be using KuCoin. KuCoin has very low fees and access to a lot of different tokens. As always, I'll leave a link in the description. You can't unfortunately buy UST directly on KuCoin, but we'll purchase another stablecoin, USDT, and then trade it for UST. I'll be using a third-party payment gateway to buy some USDT. Once the USDT lands in our main account, we'll need to transfer it over to the trading account. I want to trade USDT for UST. Selecting this pair will take us to the trade screen. To keep things simple, make sure you're on the spot tab and set the limit to market for the best market price. I'll head to the sell area at the bottom right and click 100% to sell all my USDT for UST. Or you can type in any amount you like, then click sell. Once that's done, just click on the KuCoin logo to head back to the dashboard. On to step 3, send UST from the exchange to Terra Station. First I have to head to my trading account and transfer my UST back to my main account. With the UST moved over to my main account, click on withdraw, open up your Terra Station Wallet, and copy your address. Paste your address into KuCoin and select the Terra Network. You don't need a memo. If you're doing this for the first time, I like to send a small amount over just to test. It might be a little paranoid, but there's no harm in checking that it lands safely on the other side, even if it costs you a couple bucks. I'm going to transfer all my funds, so I'll click on all and then withdraw. Lastly, step 4, deposit our UST into Anchor Protocol and earn 18% APY. Head to Anchor Protocol, I'll leave a link in the description. Click on Web App. First, let's connect our wallet. Select Terra Station. I've already connected to Anchor before, although if you're connecting for the first time, you might receive a confirmation or an acceptance of sorts. Simply accept, and once that's done, your wallet will be connected. On the dashboard, you'll see the total deposits and collateral over the entire protocol, but we want to head to the Earn tab. As I mentioned previously, the APY is around 19% now, although when the poll passes, this will more than likely be 18%. From here, I'll click Deposit, enter the amount that you want to deposit, although it's always a good idea to leave a little behind for gas fees. Enter your wallet password and confirm. And you're done. Withdrawing is just as easy. Just click on withdraw, enter the amount that you'd like to withdraw, and follow exactly the same steps by entering your wallet password. With that done, I can see my expected interest over the year, month, week, or day. So if you're into crypto, check out one of these videos next to me. Subscribe to keep learning and watching more DeFi content. I'll see you in the next one.